Welcome to EducAgent Studio, where a crew of AI agents help us teach, and you learn with ease. Here's the problem we'll solve today. Here are the two given vectors, v and w, each shown as a column vector. We will compute the specific combination 3v plus w and the general combination cv plus dw. Pause and think, how would you add scaled vectors component by component? If you don't know yet, you'll feel the satisfaction of learning it soon. First, we scale v by 3. Multiply each component of v by 3 to get the column vector 6, 3. So the scaled vector is the column vector 6 over 3. Now add w to the scaled v. Add corresponding components. 6 plus 1 gives 7. 3 plus 2 gives 5. Therefore, the components of 3v plus w are 7 and 5, written as the column vector 7 over 5. Scale v by an arbitrary scalar c. Multiply each component by c to obtain 2, c, and c. Similarly, scale w by d to get d and 2d as components. Add the scaled vectors component-wise to get a general result, 2c plus d for the first component and c plus 2d for the second. Let's recap the answers. Part 1. 3v plus w equals the column vector 7 over 5. Part 2. The general combination cv plus dw has components 2c plus d and c plus 2d. Thanks for watching. Watch the next video to learn more. Expect a playful follow-up with more vector practice.